What's happening, YouTube? This is your boy Paul Radio Man 2094. Of course, back in as usual, but being back from 1 month. But anyways, I'm back. But today we're gonna be talking about or taking a look at the charging case for truly wireless earbuds or your AirPods or anything that's similar to that. We're going to be using these on my Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s. So we're going to be testing it out with the case on and stuff, and then we're going to check. But I'm not going to make this video long or anything. I'm get the key features we're going to be trying out. We're going to test wireless charging, and then we're going to be testing out the little ear loop and stuff like that. But a lot's going to be happening on this video, but I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can because I want to get back into, putting everything back in the case. But I did wear these during the day and stuff like that. I put everything back in the box for dramatic effect, so we're going to be taking a look at this again. So on that note, let's get into my personal experience that I want to share with you guys. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so you can pick this up from Walmart today. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this that I paid for, $4.88. So a pretty cheap price to pay for something like that, just to protect your earbuds in general, or your AirPods, or any of the pencil style related truly wireless earbuds. But you get my point. But anyways, let's unbox this again, see what it looks like. I am feeling the color though, but alright. Get this out of the way real quick. I've been using these from my Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s, as a matter of fact. They've been holding these pretty well, and then of course my USB Type-C charging cable still in there. I haven't even used this because personally I've been using wireless charging for these. These have wireless charging, so why not take advantage of it, And then my Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s. These are the most underrated earbuds that I've ever owned. And then whenever you play with the app on your phone, and then the app's available for Android and iOS as well. You can mess around with that EQ just to get your right settings. Sorry, I can't even talk to you. But get all your custom EQ settings and stuff, and Hear ID, your personalized hearings and stuff. But whoever's interested in buying these, they are going for 80 to 90 bucks according to what I've seen on Amazon, but I'll leave the link up in the description for the cheapest ones that I find. At the end of this video, I'll leave the link for that. But anyways, guys, on that note, let's get started on these. Alright, so I like the box, protect on, charging case cover. And it says right there, pause that and read it for yourself if you want. For Apple AirPods Pro and similar charging cases. So this basically works with any case, that's including these. I've used these all day. And we'll talk about the fit here in a minute. But alright, now let's unbox these again. Alright, so yeah, I'll get this out of the way. Sure, why not? Alright, so and then that's pretty much it in there. Of course, so starting off, here's your silicone cover. And you got two parts. So this is like a two-part style silicone case. So we'll talk about that here in a minute. And then here's your, I forgot the name of these. I keep calling these cords, but they call it a neck strap. So we're going to be calling this like the neck strap, because that's what it says on the box. So it is what it is, But it's a neck strap, so very long. Like, just think of it as like the old school wireless earbuds that you used to own, that you put around your neck. Not the ones with like the plastic going around your neck, but like the wired earbuds that go around your neck. Think about it as those. Except you don't have to worry about the wires ripping, because this is super flexible and stuff like that. And of course, these parts will go in the earbuds. We'll take a look at this here in a minute. Shit, I did it again. My bad, guys. I can't even talk today. But being in quarantine for a month was a killer. I could tell you that for sure. But I'm just happy I'm getting back into my YouTube videos. And I'm happy that you guys watched the first one that I did yesterday for the Sony XB01 personal experience. So, yeah. So, this is your cord, I guess. I'll just call it cord. Fuck it. And then, last but not least, you got your carabiner clip. So what you're going to do with this, you're going to be just putting it right through. But you know, I'll just leave it for the video. Why not? Why not? But yeah, that's the way it looks. And of course, let me get my Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s. Okay, so we're going to be placing them on in there. And then I guess this part will go right there. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about the fit. It's not like a guaranteed fit, but it fits like almost. Almost. We'll just put it that way. But for $4.88, bro, I'm not complaining. And of course, you got your carabiner clip. Clip this on your belt. I wouldn't recommend it for these earbuds because the charging case is a little tall, and then everything fits and all, has like a good fit to it, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. But I'm gonna be probably looking on Amazon for like a cheap like little cover for the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2, so stay tuned for that video later on. Whenever I do that, I'll be doing that unboxing though in the future, or whenever I get it, but coming soon. Straight coming attractions. But yeah, but it fits. It gets the job done though. And of course, here's your little slot area for your micro or USB charging port. I don't know why I said micro USB. We're not talking 2012, Paul. We're talking USB Type C. Welcome to 2019. I've been using USB Type C for a year now. I'm pretty much used to it now, especially with my new phones that I have. But yeah, but nice fit, no complaints. And then clip this on your belt, but I wouldn't recommend doing that, like I said, with these. But you do your thing, you know. That's all I can say. Do your thing. But all right, let me pause the video real quick and let me go get my wireless charger, and we'll test out wireless charging. So stand by. All right, just something I forgot to clarify real quick before I start wireless charging. If you're looking for a hard shell case, just a hard shell case for just your truly wireless earbuds or your Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2s, I recommend getting this case. It's by Geekeria. The price on this one I paid for was $8. I'll leave that link up in the description if you guys want to buy this. And it comes with like your little carabiner clip. I've been using this as my daily case. Love that hard shell material. And then a little compartment for your stuff. And then whenever I'm not using this, I'm gonna be wrapping it up and putting it in that little sleeve. But yeah, $8. Check this out. Now let's check out wireless charging real quick. Or let's check. Let me say that again. Let's check wireless charging. All right, so stand by, guys. All right, now let's check wireless charging. So here's my buds. Look for the green light. Matter of fact, let me make sure it's plugged in. Hold on. Alright, so let's check wireless charging. Look for a green light. Wirelessly charging up. So wireless charging through this case works. Alright, so now let's take a look at this neck strap real quick. I finally got it right. But alright, so here's the left side. So basically what you do, you slip this right through the little pencil part. These are pencil style earbuds, of course. Alright, just like that. Okay, and then let's see the other side. Making sure I'm doing this right. Making sure all the lines are in and stuff like that. My bad, guys. I accidentally activated my my G Assistant on my phone by putting these on and stuff. I'm recording this video with my main phone until I could get a video camera for YouTube. It is what it is. I'll talk about that here in a little while. But here's what they look like. And then, of course, yeah, just think of it as like the old school wireless earbuds that you wear around your neck. Shoot, I don't even have any to demonstrate, but you get what I'm saying though. Alright. But you know what? If you guys are just looking for a video like that, take a look at the JVC gummy wireless earbuds video. But anyways, that's how they look. Now let's see how they look on your neck real quick. So stand by real fast. Alright. Excuse that fan in the background. Room's hot as hell. It is what it is now. But here's the earbuds with the little cord. Let's put them around my neck real quick. So this will be how they look on your neck when you're not wearing them. And then let's put them on. Just like that. Let me go close to the camera real quick. There, you see it for yourself. You already seen my Instagram post. Whoever's my friend on Instagram, you guys already seen that post. But that's how they look on your ear. But real quick, let me do like a shake test just to see if they wobble around. I'm guaranteeing you that it's not gonna wobble, but let's try it. Oop. Didn't pass that shake test. But at least it stayed on the neck though. But yeah, that's how they look on your neck. So, alright. Now let's wrap this video up. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these an A+. For $4.88 or $5 basically. This is a good deal. But anyways, guys, this is like a quick first look and in my personal experience. I haven't even talked about that, so let me talk about that real quick. But whenever you have this case and stuff, kind of feels like it's protected. Like you could drop it, but I recommend doing it with like earbuds that are compatible with that right fit. But I'll do that video whenever I get the gel skins for the Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s. This is what I got at the moment, so at least it works. But yeah, this looks premium and stuff. Like the way it looks, kind of looks like an actual set of earbuds, like for the gym, basically. Pretty much, these are what these are, you know, for stuff like that. But you get what I'm saying, though. But it feels nice, especially that it's silicone. You don't have to worry about getting fingerprints and stuff like that. Not a fingerprint magnet, as you see. I don't think the video's doing it well, but no fingerprints. But I like this case, though. But for $4.88, not complaining. Especially that you get the little neck strap. This neck strap is awesome. So, whenever you're wearing these, you don't have to worry about your earbuds popping out. A nice tight fit on the earbuds and stuff. It didn't pass the, my shake test and stuff like that. I don't know, that was my first time doing like the head shaking, I guess. But I just wanted to try it out for, just for the fuck of it, But yeah, I like this little neckband. At least whenever you're having that conversation with somebody, because these Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s, whenever you pull one out of the ear, it automatically pauses your music anyway. That's only if you assign it from the app. But yeah, you could just take it out of your ears, and you don't have to necessarily, because how I used to do it, I used to put these in my pockets and stuff. And the thing I really hated whenever I did that, my Google Assistant accidentally activated it. But yeah, no problems, no complaints. You could just take it out of your ear and then have these around your neck like regular earbuds, basically. But anyways, on charging case cover for the Apple AirPods Pro or all the other the earbuds, I guess, truly wireless earbuds that are similar to it, like the Soundcore Liberty Air 2s, for instance. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So here's me again. So stand by. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And leave a like, subscribe to the channel, Radio Man 2094. And then what's coming up on the channel this week, I know I'm working on trying to get like a Roku streaming device. I'll be doing that unboxing whenever I get it. And then I'm going to be working on getting this tablet from Walmart. I was going to possibly take a look at the Lenovo SmartTab M8. And it has like a little dock for it. So I'll have to figure out if it comes with it or you have to buy that separately. But if not, there's like a cheap Android tablet I was going to look into, supposedly. But I'll figure that part out, but I'll be doing that unboxing and review on that one. And then that'll be my video streaming camera for YouTube, and then download a video editor app. I'm going to be trying this new one I just downloaded on my phone, because that's what I've been doing. I've been doing my video editing on my phone. The first app didn't work well for me. So I'm going to be trying out Sony Vegas 2020, see how that works. But whoever knows what a good stream, like what was it, video editing app to use on like an Android tablet or smartphone in general, just hit me up in the comments about it, and then I'll download it later on. But I'm going to try Sony Vegas 2020 just to see how that one works. It should work pretty well, because if they have it for like the laptops and stuff like that, then guarantee it'll work on phones or tablets. But you know what I'm saying though. But anyways guys, follow me on my social media platforms, and then I'm Paul Radio Man 2094. I'm out, yo. See you guys in the next video.